Are you looking to track your steps more effectively using the Apple Health app on your iPhone? This can be particularly useful for monitoring your fitness levels and setting health goals. With the Apple Health app, you can easily track your daily step count and even integrate data from other fitness apps. In this guide, I'll show how you can set up and use the Apple Health app to track your steps efficiently. Let's get started. Solution 1. Set up the Health app. Open the Health app on your iPhone. Tap on the Browse tab at the bottom of the screen. Select Activity from the list of categories. Tap on Steps to view your step count. If you haven't already, follow the prompts to set up health data sharing and allow app to access your movement data. Solution 2. Enable motion and fitness tracking. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Motion and Fitness. Ensure that fitness tracking is enabled by toggling it on. Additionally, ensure the health is enabled to allow the app to track your steps. Solution 3. Sync data from fitness apps. Open Setting, tap Apple ID, scroll down, tap iCloud, scroll down. Finding health apps, toggle this option, turn off and turn back on. Now restart your iPhone. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively track your steps using the Apple Health app on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, stay tuned for more tips on using your iPhone for health and fitness tracking.